All right, so continue. Sif number 12. A Sefer Torah fell from the one's hands. That's well, even while it is in a covering, he must fast. It is customary that those who saw the scroll fall also fast. Right, as Birki Yosef, Siman 44 commentary, and we're going to explain. In our editions, this is found in Sherei Brachas. Okay, Yorei Deya. Okay, cited by Magid. Doesn't matter. Okay, so basically, so if person is getting Sefer Torah right from Aaron Kodesh, and now he sleep. Okay, I know, elderly person, whatever person, anybody can sleep. Any guy may miss a step because there are steps going down. Okay, that's what happened, and he fell, and the Sefer Torah on the floor. So at least he must fast. But Kitzur said everybody in the room must fast who saw it. I think. I mean, that's it, but I saw the opinion that the whole community must fast, right? I mean, the whole community, even though they were not present during this incident, but it means that something happened. So HaShem is not happy with people, right? So he's not happy with us. So that's we have to atone and fast and review our deeds. That's when the Sefer Torah is on the floor. Physically, so many times it's spiritually, and people throw the Sefer Torah on the floor, but he is physically, and everybody saw it. Go ahead.
The sanctity, holiness is the place the same to the cover of the Sefer Torah?
As a cover of the Sefer Torah and Sefer Torah itself, no, it's not the same cover, sanctity. So it's lower sanctity, but it's much higher than many other things because it's actually touched the actual Sefer Torah.
So what if this cover falls to the ground?
No, you don't have to fast. And many times, it's a good question. I saw it last time. It was actually last Shabbos, the belt. So you have two what is it? 2 poles, right? Wooden poles, and you put belt around the parchment itself, and then on top you put this mantle, right? So I saw that the belt fell, but usually, for example, when they do Hashkafa to lift it on to the Sefer Torah, sometimes like this guy, he looks like he can lift the tractor, but he's like very weak. I don't know, for whatever reason. So it's and he started like falling with the Sefer Torah. So usually, Baruch Hashem, like on a bima, like usually there are people from the left of this guy and the right of the guy. So they would stabilize him always, right? Especially, I will tell you what, especially in the beginning when we start Bereshis, right? It was just the beginning of the book. So as we said, we start from right to left, right? So basically, the whole parchment is on the left hand. Right, so when you have to pick it up open, the Sefer Torah, so a lot of weight is on the left and nothing is on the right. So most of the people are right. If it would be on the right, there is no problem, but on the left, there is a problem. So that's Rabbi knows, everybody knows. They try to be very careful and secure this guy.